Welcome back coders, this is Suraj Kelhe. In this video, I will discuss assignment operator, tuple assignment and assignability. So if you want to assign a value to a variable, you use assignment operator. So the syntax variable should be on left side of assignment and the expression should be on right side of assignment. In our example, we first declare package main, we'll be importing fmt, then we will be declaring function main. There will be named variable where x of int. First we will be running basic.go. Here x default value is 0. Now we will be updating its value using x equals 1. Here this is assignment operator. Check out the updated value as well. See, x gets updated. You can update the variable indirectly using pointers. Here using the new function we are creating a pointer with type bool and its name is p. Default value is false and this is the address. Now let's update it. Star p equals 2. So here star p is on the left hand side and the true, which is expression, is on the right hand side. Now we will be printing the updated value as well. As you can see, star p has new value. Now how you can change the value of struct field? We will define a struct which has one field name and this is object of the struct person, and first we will be printing as it is. Okay, now the struct is empty. We will be assigning its field person dot name equals Bob. Okay, now using assignment you can also update struct in this way. As you can see, the field gets updated. What if you want to update array or slice or maps? In that, what you can do, now I will be first initializing array with 3 elements and we'll be printing that array. Now as you can see, the C array is 1 2 3. I will be updating its value C of x. Here x is 1. Okay, means the first element, which is 2, gets multiplied by 5 and it's get again stored at this position. Now we will be printing its updated value. As you can see, the array gets updated. Now each arithmetic and binary operator has assignment operator. So what is assignment operator? It basically means that every arithmetic, be it plus, minus, multiplication, division, has its own assignment operator. Here we are multiplying this value with scale. Now rather than doing this form, you can also use this. These 39 and 35 line are both the same. Check this out. As you can see, the C gets again multiplied by 5, means the first element. Now numeric variables can be incremented or decremented with plus plus or minus minus statement. First declare v as 1, print v. Now v is 1 and after that we will be using v plus plus and again printing v. As you can see, v gets updated. Again we will be using v minus minus and printing v. So the result will be that v gets incremented and v gets decremented. Now let's look at tuple assignment. With tuple assignment, you can assign values to multiple variables at once. So the expression is that the number of variables on the left side of assignment must equals to number of expressions on the right side. Here v1 v2 are on the left side and e1 e2 are on the right side. v1 type must equals e1 and v2 types equals e2. Now in our example, we are declaring package main. We are importing fmt package. Then in our function main, we will be first declaring two variables x and y with value 1 and 2 and making a swap of it. Let's first print our value. Go run tuple assignment. Now as you can see, x is 1 and y is 2. So x and y are the variables on the left, and on the right these variables act as an expression. So the value of y will be assigned to x and the value of x will be assigned to y. See, value gets swapped. Now swap elements of the array. Here we are creating an array of 3 elements and they are assigned value of 1 2 and 3. Now we are printing the array. Okay, after that we will be declaring two variables ij and swapping it. Okay, now the ij will act as an indexes. Now these are the two elements, these are the expression here. Now here this statement is declaration because here this is declaration syntax and this statement is tuple assignment. Here we are using assignment operator rather than declaration operator. In this, the variable I and j are getting created and here array of 2 elements are getting swapped. Now we will be printing it. As you can see, array elements have swapped. Now let's look at two simple examples. One is GCD and another is Fibonacci series. Now we will be creating a function GCD which takes 2 inputs as a parameter and returns an int. Now first we will be writing GCD of just for a title. In the for loop, we will be checking whether y is not equals to 0. Now what this condition does, that the value of y will be assigned to the x and x percent y. It means that remainder of y and x will be assigned to the y. At the end, we are printing each value of x and y and we are returning x. We are calling GCD of 30 and 45. GCD of 30, 45. Here 30 and 45, these are x and y. Now what happens that y will be transferred to x, and remainder of 30 divided by 45, which is 30, will be transferred to y. After that, same process will follow because it's in for loop. At the end, we will get GCD is 15. Now let's look at another function, which is Fibonacci of n. We are again using the tuple assignment. So we will be first printing the x and y, and here we are using tuple assignment. X comma y equals, these are the two expressions. Value of x will be value of y, and value of y will be this expression x plus y, and we will be returning x. Now let's check out Fibonacci of 7. See, the y get transferred to the x, and y is an addition of both of these elements. In this statement, the y get transferred to 1, and this y becomes the addition of x and y. Just like that, we get the Fibonacci as 8. You can also assign values to multiple variables with functions. In this function, we are just declaring two variables. Using this declaration operator, it creates the variables and then just store values from this function to it. We are closing it. Now in this next line, we are doing tuple assignment. Okay, so what's happening that in the line 35, this os.open function will return two values. One is file and another is error. If error not equal to nil, just print the error and close. Now let's run our program. Two errors are printing. It means these two lines are running. Okay, you can use similar functionalities for map lookup, type assertion, channel receive, where there will be a value and there will be whether the lookup has been successful or not, whether we receive any data or not. Now we can assign unwanted result to blank identifier. Suppose if you don't want this variable, then you can use the blank identifier like this. In our previous example, we have explicitly assigned values to the variables, but the variables can also be updated implicitly. Assignability is implicit assignment. Okay. In our example, we will be declaring package main, importing fmt. In our function main, there is an implicit assignment to the slice. Here we are declaring a slice, medals, this is declaration, this is type. In our braces, we are giving multiple values, which is gold, silver and bronze. These values will be assigned to the slice implicitly. Now let's run our program. Slice has been printing gold, silver and bronze. So how the explicit assignment will be? This is similar to here. We just change the name. In place of medals, we are declaring a price slice with size 3 and it is of type slice of string. Now we are giving the first element as gold, second element as silver and third element as bronze, and then printing this price. Now as you can see, apart from this name, both slices are same. So this is how implicit assignment and explicit assignment works. Implicit assignment also can be found at the function level. Okay, suppose when you pass parameters to function using caller, in function body, parameter variables get assigned using the caller values. This is also an implicit assignment. Maps and channels elements has such kind of implicit assignment. Now let's look at a function which is returning a plus b. Now we are printing it. Now we are sending 2, 3 here in this caller, but here they are implicit assigned. 2 is assigned to A and 3 is assigned to B, and the return value will be assigned to in place of this caller. Let's run our program and 5. I hope in this video you have learned something new. To watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel 1 Minute Notes. Thank you.